In this session, we'll examine how Workday represents the evolution of human resources information systems and why it has become the gold standard for modern HR technology platforms. From an HRIS standpoint, Workday represents a paradigm shift in how organizations approach human resources information management. Traditional HRIS systems were often fragmented, requiring multiple point solutions to handle different HR functions. Workday revolutionized this approach by creating a unified HRIS platform that seamlessly integrates all core HR modules into a single, cohesive system. Let's examine Workday's HRIS architecture. At its foundation, Workday operates as a cloud-native HRIS, meaning it was built from the ground up for cloud deployment rather than being a legacy system retrofitted for cloud use. This architectural decision provides significant advantages in terms of scalability, security, and continuous feature updates that are hallmarks of modern HRIS platforms. The core HR module in Workday exemplifies best-in-class HRIS functionality. It maintains comprehensive employee records, organizational hierarchies, and position management with remarkable flexibility. Unlike rigid traditional HR systems that struggle with complex organizational structures, Workday's core HR adapts to matrix organizations, temporary assignments, and dynamic reporting relationships that are common in today's business environment. Workday's payroll management capabilities demonstrate sophisticated HRIS processing power. The system handles multi-country payroll requirements, complex compensation structures, and regulatory compliance across diverse jurisdictions. From an HRIS perspective, this represents the evolution from basic payroll processing to intelligent rule-based compensation management that can handle everything from simple salary payments to complex bonus calculations and equity compensation. The time and attendance functionality within Workday showcases modern HRIS capabilities. The system provides real-time tracking, mobile accessibility, and intelligent scheduling that goes far beyond traditional punch clock systems. Workday Sage can analyze attendance patterns, predict staffing needs, and automatically apply complex labor rules and overtime calculations. From a talent management or risk perspective, Workday integrates recruitment, performance management, learning and development, and succession planning into a unified platform. This integration eliminates the data silos that plague organizations using separate systems for different HR functions. Workday's HRIS maintains a complete talent profile for each employee, tracking their journey from candidate to alumni. The reporting and analytics capabilities represent the next generation of HRIS intelligence. Traditional HRIS systems provided basic reports and required significant manual effort to extract meaningful insights. Workday Search leverages advanced analytics, machine learning, and predictive modeling to provide actionable workforce intelligence. HR professionals can identify flight risks, analyze compensation equity, and forecast talent needs using sophisticated HRH analytics tools. Let's examine the numbers that demonstrate Workday's HRIS market dominance. With more than 11,000 organizations worldwide using Workday as their primary HRIS, the platform has achieved remarkable market penetration. The fact that over 60% of Fortune 500 companies have selected Workday as their HRIS solution speaks to the platform's ability to handle the most complex enterprise requirements. Workday's fiscal year 2025 revenues of $8.446 billion, growing 16.4% year over year, indicate strong HRIS market confidence. This financial performance reflects not just new HRIS implementations, but also expansion within existing accounts as organizations discover additional value in Workday's comprehensive HRIS capabilities. From an HRIS implementation perspective, Workday offers significant advantages over traditional systems. The cloud-based architecture eliminates the need for extensive on-premise infrastructure, reducing HRIS total cost of ownership. The platform's configuration over-customization approach means organizations can implement comprehensive HRIS functionality without extensive custom development that complicates upgrades and maintenance. Workday's self-service capabilities exemplify modern HRIS user experience design. Employees can access their information, request time off, update personal details, and complete HR transactions through intuitive interfaces that feel more like consumer applications than traditional business software. This user-centric HRS design drives higher adoption rates and reduces the administrative burden on HR teams. The global HRIS capabilities of Workday address the complex requirements of multinational organizations. The system handles multiple languages, currencies, tax jurisdictions, and regulatory frameworks within a single HRIS instance. This global functionality eliminates the need for separate regional HRIS systems and provides consistent data and processes across the entire organization. From an HRIS integration standpoint, Workday's platform connects seamlessly with other business systems, including financial applications, benefits providers, and third-party recruitment platforms. These integration capabilities ensure that the HRIS serves as the central hub for all people-related data while maintaining connections to the broader technology ecosystem. The mobile HRIS capabilities of Workday reflect a changing nature of work. With robust mobile applications, employees and managers can access HRIS functionality from anywhere, supporting remote work arrangements and global operations. This mobile-first HRIS approach ensures that location doesn't limit access to critical HR information and processes. Looking at HRIS security, Workday maintains enterprise-grade security controls, including data encryption, role-based access controls, and comprehensive audit trails. The platform's security framework meets the most stringent requirements for HRIS data protection, supporting compliance with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and various industry-specific requirements. From an HRIS vendor management perspective, Workday's continuous innovation cycle ensures that customers benefit from ongoing platform enhancements without the complexity of traditional software upgrades. New HRIS features and improvements are delivered regularly through the cloud platform, keeping organizations current with the latest HR technology capabilities. The data model underlying Workday's HRIS is particularly sophisticated. Rather than storing information in rigid tables like traditional HRIS systems, Workday uses a flexible data architecture that can accommodate complex relationships and changing business requirements. This data model enables the rich analytics and reporting capabilities that distinguish modern HRIS platforms. In conclusion, from an HRIS perspective, Workday represents the culmination of decades of human resources technology evolution. It combines comprehensive functionality, intuitive user experience, powerful analytics, and global scalability into a platform that transforms how organizations manage their human capital. The impressive adoption statistics, 11,000 plus organizations, 60% of Fortune 500 companies, and $8.446 billion in revenue demonstrate that Workday has successfully delivered on the promise of modern HRIS technology. For organizations evaluating HRIS options, Workday's track record, functionality, and market position make it a compelling choice for comprehensive human capital management. Whether you're replacing legacy HRIS systems or implementing your first enterprise HR platform, understanding Workday's capabilities provides valuable insight into what modern HRIS technology can achieve. Thank you for this deep dive into Workday from an HRIS perspective. The platform's success illustrates how sophisticated HRIS technology can transform HR operations from administrative processing to strategic workforce management.